Well, good morning, guys. We are leaving Robbinsville, North Carolina. But let me give you a quick tour of our cabin before we leave. Now, the bed is not made because we're leaving. But I don't think I showed you guys when we got here. We're going to be going to Georgia, Helen, Georgia, next. It's a little bathroom. We call it the red room. Shower, toilet. It's pretty big and spacious. And we had a good time here. And as soon as you open the door, nature. Little creek. More cabins. People. All right, guys, we will see you on the road. Stay tuned.
see the best part of the road? Follow me. Yes. Yes. That is 94.
They went up the hard way.
We are, I have no idea where we're at. Helen, Georgia. Beautiful Helen, Georgia. What a beautiful weather. Nice rainy day. Can't be any better.
What's your name?
Hey, my name is Jill.
Hi,
How are you? We're going to get ice cream.
Ice cream.
Do you guys know this guy? Yes. This guy's going for ice cream today. Oh, there's a hair in the camera. I got it out.
My hair probably.
What happened?
Oh, this couple.
Oh, look,
Oh, hi.
Look, the fur.
Hi, guys.
Hey, how are
How do
you?
you think, what are your thoughts on Helen, Georgia? So far.
So wonderful.
That
The Wiener Schnitzel.
I want to get this shirt.
I think I
Hi. What's your name?
Mommy.
Mommy.
An alibi.
Hi, sir.
I want Joe to buy me the shirt.
Yep.
And
Oh,
an
wait.
alibi.
There's check marks.
I got them all.
Hi, sir. What do you think of Helen, Georgia?
Well, I'll tell you, them yonders, you know, they got some mighty fine vittles, but they're kind of yeller.
I
Yeah,
have no idea what you just said.
I know you don't, but
Now we where I kind of fuck all we go to. That's where I get a book call that bad bad.
it's close. Oh my God! Sorry, guys.
It's all Jose's fault.
You know what I think about the ice cream stuff? It sucks.
I think there's too many stores that are closed in Helen.
Yeah, it's Tuesday,
It's all Tuesday
and
and Wednesday.
Wednesday.
There's a couple of them I found that they're open. What other ice
Hunting for ice cream. In Helen, Georgia. Cute little town. It's little.
I don't know. Same guy that decided to ride Cherohala Highway on a rainy day.
Yeah. Taco cat. Get your taco cat.
And then Dad knows the whole town.
He's been here for a day and so will we by tomorrow.
He knows where every fucking grocery store. Yeah, but their hotel's all the way down there, so they must
Not
have.
that far.
They did a lot of walking. They're pull the bikes inside. So that's the bike that was sitting out front.
Oh, really?
So they probably try to get bikers to stop here.
Stop, man. That's funny.
I'm happy.